Hey guys, so today's video is all about Durban dread from Prima Afro. This is Durban dread. The packaging is looking like this, as you can see. Okay, let's open the pack and see the hair inside. This is our Durban dread. I'm so in love with this hair, guys. It's so nice. One pack comes with 2 bundles. As you can see, there's 2 bundles here. So if you want to install it, you need 3 pack, but if you like more volume, I think you'll need 4. And this hair have a nice texture. It feels like your natural hair. If you want to install this hair, you can use crochet, or you can plant it, or you can attach it on your natural dreadlocks. It will look natural like your natural hair. I will show you just now. But first you need to braid it. When you're done braiding the hair, you need to take your hot water and put it inside for a few minutes, like let's say 5 minutes. Dry it with my towel. If you are in a hurry, maybe you can use your hair dryer, but please don't put it high. Okay guys, now my hair is dry, so we need to open it and see. This is the curls. As you can see, guys, it's so beautiful. So now you know that you can curl your Durban dread. You can put this and make your style look beautiful. You can curl it and put this. Okay, now we're done putting our dreadlock metal cuffs. So now our Durban dread is looking so beautiful. Guys, I think you should go get yourself Durban dread from Prima Afro. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Bye.